Hey guys, I'm on with Echo Park. I think it comes every 2 months. It's the craft, basically a scrapbook kit. But I don't really scrapbook anymore, but I like what comes with this one. I don't remember what I paid, and I don't know that I want to remember what I paid, just saying. Okay, crafters, so they give you this. It's the July project kit. And they give you ideas of what you can do with what they sent. I don't know what's in here. Then you always get the catalog, which is always fun to look through and dream, right? Okay. So with this one, okay, craft room. Cool. Ooh, love me some enamel dots. And then ephemera. These are cute. Is this different than this must be a new line that they have out. Let's take a peeky at this. Some of it. I'm not going to show you all of it. Oh, that's cool. I love the colors. Very summer. Very. Let's get creative. There we go. Oh, look at this. Let's get inky. Creator's notes. These are fun. Now I can make a little journal of things I've made. That would be perfect. So that'll be fun to use. Hang on. Okay, 5 hours later. All right, and then let's see. Here's stamps. Of course, I'm at my craft. Oh wait, I can use this. So it just says handmade, created with care. You can take those apart. Here's a stitching. A camera, very cool. Scissors, hearts, made with heart. Oh, that's cool. It makes me think of. There we go. Who am I trying to think of? You know, it started a Saturday Morning Makes. Of course, her name is just out my brain, which is happens a lot these days. I'm telling you. Okay, puffy stickers. Cute. These are, look at the paint. The glue bottle, look at this. Oh, crop. Memory keeper. Very cool. Camera. Oh, I love that. Very nice. Happy with this. And then you get the 6x6 and some 12x12. So it is called Craft Room. Come on. Oh my gosh, come on. Double-sided. Oh, glue guns. Cute. Little cut-aparts. Some hearts. Love the stripe. Very pretty. Little flowers and butterflies. Or just flowers, I guess. Ink. Cute. Very cute. Oh, look at that. Oh. Washi tape. Yeah, that's part of crafting. Oh, this is really pretty. There's the other side, and then there's this cut apart. Life is better when it's colorful. That's right. Hello, creativity. Oh boy. With all my pens I've been buying, there you go. Creative Soul. Oh, this is cool. I really like it. Let's see, what else? And I think it's repeating, maybe? Oh my gosh, that's cute. And in here is the 12x12. I think that is it for what you get. Sorry, I should have had this open ahead of time. I apologize. There we go. Okay. So it's just what we saw on the 6x6, of course, and larger. Oh, I love the pens. That's really cool. There's these hearts. I'll put this over here. And on the other side are the journaling cards. Everything is better when it's handmade. I agree. Needle crafts. No, don't really do needle craft. No. I did years ago. I did some cross stitch before when I was pregnant with Brian. Yeah. I think it was, no, I was pregnant with Eric. I was substituting for a gal that was pregnant and in the hospital because her pregnancy wasn't going well. And I was so huge with Eric, and they finally said, "Are you in danger of going into labor?" Well, I go, "No, I'm only 7 months pregnant." He was a big boy. I love my big boy, though. He was such a cute. Oh my gosh, he was so cute. Well, he still is. He's handsome now. Cute. Pretty, pretty. Oh, I just love this. So this is fun. So yeah, it's the same stuff that I showed. I'll just do it this way because we've seen it. I want to bore you. Oh, those are tiny scissors. Oh my gosh. How creative is that? Gotta love the Echo Park. They do it upright. And this is good weight. Echo Park Company. Yeah. Creative Soul. Very cool. So that, my friends, is my... And if I don't update you about Margaret, it's because I'm pre-filming this. And I'm sure she'll be fine. I'll be back on to give you an update. You guys don't know her, but I feel like you do know her because she's part of... I talk about her a lot. It's kind of like my family, right? All right, you guys, take care. You might want to check this one out. Just saying. All right, have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.